Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to print your Canva to your printer. Alright, so let's dive in. Now first of all, just open any design, open any existing design. If you have already opened it, I'm gonna go with this one. Alright, now after opening a design, or if you're already on the design, just go on top right corner, click on share, and here click on see all. Okay, now scroll down a little bit, and here you will find this option, use my printer. Click on it, and as you can see, it will automatically connect to your printer and will print to your printer. Okay, now another thing you can do is just click on share, click on download, and click on this drop down arrow. From here select PDF, click on download. Okay, now click on the PDF, and from over here click on this printer icon right over here, click on it, and you will see your printer over here. Just click on this drop down arrow and select your desired printer. After that, click on print, and your job is done. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.